We're making this beautiful peanut butter cookie recipe. This is very easy to make, especially if you're a peanut lover. You definitely love this amazing recipe. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in softened butter. Please make sure your butter is in room temperature. If not, put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds and that should be fine. When that, add it to your mixing bowl, add in butter, and then mix till well combined. After everything has come together, go in with powdered sugar and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. When done, mix everything again. Let the machine wait for about 1 to 2 minutes and then add in your dry ingredients. But first go in with your egg. I use 2 egg yolks, so don't add it to it all at a time. One at a time, mix till well combined and then add in the other one. And if you don't have the machine, you can do it by hands, of course. The machine makes it easier. So add in the rest and then mix until everything has come together before going in with the flour. This recipe is very easy and it's simple. You need few ingredients for this amazing recipe. I used 2 cups of flour, but I didn't add it to it all at a time. 1 cup at a time. Mix until everything has come together before adding in the rest. This is very easy and then the step is easier to follow. Go in with the rice and then use the machine to mix everything again. So this is the consistency you're looking for. It should be something like this when done, not too sticky, not too hard. It should be in between. So bring about 10 to 15 grams depending on the size that you're going in for and roll it in the ball shape as seen in the video, or even about a tablespoon. That should be fine. Roll it in the ball shape as seen in the video and then arrange it on your baking tray. So I'm using this type of pastry to kata. It comes in a flower shape. It comes about 5 different types of flowers. I ordered it on Amazon, so if you want you can order yours. If not, just roll it and use a fork to give it design and you're good to go. All you have to do is to press it on the balls and then release it. It has a spring in, so if you push it, it will come out easily. And that's what you're looking for. It is very simple, very easy. Bake this bad boy at 175 degrees Celsius from 10 to 15 minutes. 175 degrees Celsius from 10 to 15 minutes. You want to check on it. You do not want to burn it, so please be careful when baking it. And that's what you're looking for. It was super delicious and it was amazing. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this was amazing. It was wow. Try this recipe for your kids and they will love it. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. And see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.